We're in for an incredible fight. Which one of these two will walk away a champion?
This is where the real fun begins.
SpongeBob has an opening, but will he get the drop on the robot? Ow! I guess SpongeBob won't be winning that way. There's the robot's vulnerability. Let's see if SpongeBob goes for it.
Calling all cars. Wait, I am all cars.
Now the robot's taking a beating out there.
You're just lucky my axle's bothering me.
The robot's losing its head. Oh, that's gotta sting.
Red is the color of the season.
Don't stand here talking about it!
Wow, I've never seen such an electrifying match. Do-si-do and around you go.
Where are they coming from?
You want to make me work for this? Okay. Whoa, what just happened? Remember, kids, I'm a professional.
I see a prime bowling moment right here. That hot goo could melt anything.
This has its perks. Like being cool without even trying.
What was that?
Oh, nice flying, head thing move by Patrick.
Sorry, just need my space.
Oh, that was a doozy.
You klutz! Pay attention to what you're doing!
Patrick's just getting too close to that metal monster.
This river really isn't that clean, you know?
Okay, maybe just a little. There's another opportunity for SpongeBob.
That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen.
You aren't helping at all! What are you looking at? Do something!
Just living the dream. You got this all wrong. You're not supposed to let other cars pass you.
Gum, you're shrinking. Or maybe you're just getting further away.
Is this supposed to be part of the tour?